Hey, what's grooving, homie? It's your boy Youngtrapboi, man. I mean, I'm picking up on the crip Mac from 5-5 crip for 5-5 crip. However the fuck you want to do it, nigga. I want to fade, nigga. It ain't gonna be no friendly fades, nigga. I want to fade, nigga. You said you 6'2", 280, nigga. I'm 5'11", 218. Perfectly fit on that real groove shit on Hoover. Man, I don't know what to tell you, nigga. Yeah, on that Cali shit, you want to go there, nigga. What's grooving? What's grooving, nigga? 7/4, nigga. I want that fade, nigga. And you want to knuckle up, nigga. We ain't boxing, nigga. We ain't boxing. We gonna throw these motherfucking fists for real, nigga. Street fight, nigga, like you said, street fight. And then you grooving on my nigga Jap5. Man, he alright. I want the fade, nigga. 7/4 Hoover, nigga, Youngtrapboi. Google me, nigga, YouTube me, nigga, however you wanna do it, nigga. Come find me, nigga. Come groove with me, nigga. See what happens. Yes, sir. Bitch ass nigga.